Intro, Scene, the Toyota Crown EV 2025 driving down a scenic road, with the sun setting in the background. Narrator voiceover. Introducing the all-new Toyota Crown EV 2025, a bold leap into the future of electric mobility. With sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched performance, the Crown EV is set to redefine the luxury EV experience. Scene transitions to a close-up of the Toyota Crown EV 2025 logo, with the cameras slowly panning out to reveal the car. Narrator voiceover. Today, we're diving into what makes the Toyota Crown EV 2025 one of the most anticipated electric vehicles of the year. Let's explore its key features, performance, and design elements, all while keeping it simple, so you can see why this is a car that could change the way we drive. Scene transitions to a wide-angle shot of the Toyota Crown EV driving on a winding road. 1. Design and aesthetics. Narrator voiceover. First off, let's talk design. The Toyota Crown EV is not just a car, it's a statement. With a refined, modern exterior that blends aerodynamic efficiency with luxury, this vehicle grabs attention on every turn. Scene shows close-ups of the front grille, sleek lines, and panoramic sunroof. Narrator voiceover. From its signature LED headlamps to the smooth, flowing body lines, every angle of the Crown EV exudes sophistication. The front grille is minimalistic yet bold, and the large, sculpted wheels add to its athletic presence. Toyota has clearly put effort into every detail, making it as visually stunning as it is functional. Scene transitions to the interior, showing leather seats, dashboard, and infotainment system. Narrator voiceover. Inside, the Toyota Crown EV is all about comfort and elegance. You'll find premium materials throughout, with leather-trimmed seats, a high-tech digital dashboard, and an intuitive 14-inch touchscreen. The cabin is spacious, offering ample legroom, and the panoramic sunroof gives a sense of openness, making every journey feel special. 2. Performance. Scene transitions to the car accelerating on an open road, with a focus on the smooth ride. Narrator voiceover. Now, let's talk performance. Powered by Toyota's new, high-efficiency electric drivetrain, the Crown EV offers a driving experience that's both smooth and exhilarating. Scene cuts to a dashboard display showing the range and battery level. Narrator voiceover. With up to 350 miles of range on a single charge, the Crown EV ensures that you can take on long journeys without constantly worrying about recharging. The 0 to 60 miles per hour time comes in under 6 seconds, which means you're not sacrificing performance for sustainability. Scene transitions to the car navigating through a tight corner. Narrator voiceover. And with advanced all-wheel drive capabilities, the Crown EV handles every turn with precision, giving you confidence whether you're on a city street or a winding mountain road. 3. Technology and safety features. Scene shows the car's dashboard with various digital features in action. Narrator voiceover. The Crown EV doesn't just look ahead, it thinks ahead. It's equipped with Toyota's latest tech innovations, including a fully integrated AI-powered driver assistance system. Scene shows the car's hands-free driving feature and automatic lane keeping. Narrator voiceover. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking come standard, ensuring that you're not just driving in style, but driving with peace of mind. The Toyota Crown EV is designed to keep you and your passengers safe, no matter where the road takes you. Scene transitions to the rear view of the car, highlighting the backup camera and parking sensors. Narrator voiceover. Also, parking is made easier with its 360-degree camera system, giving you a clear view of your surroundings. Plus, the parking sensors and automatic park assist make tight spaces a breeze. Dash dash. For sustainability and charging. Scene transitions to a charging station, showing the Crown EV plugged in. Narrator voiceover. Being a fully electric vehicle, the Crown EV is designed to be eco-friendly, reducing your carbon footprint while still delivering top-tier performance. Toyota has invested in improving charging times, and the Crown EV supports fast charging, getting you back on the road in no time. Scene cuts to the battery pack and energy efficiency graphic. Narrator voiceover. With its high-capacity battery pack, you can recharge up to 80% of the battery in just 30 minutes. Plus, Toyota's commitment to sustainability means the materials used in the car are eco-conscious, helping minimize the overall environmental impact. Dash dash. 5 unique selling points. Scene transitions to the Toyota Crown EV driving at night, with the glowing lights of the city skyline in the background. Narrator voiceover. So, what makes the Toyota Crown EV stand out from the crowd? It's the perfect blend of cutting-edge technology, luxurious comfort, and exceptional performance. Whether you're cruising down highways, taking on tight city streets, or tackling weekend getaways, the Crown EV is designed to impress. Scene shows the car's smooth acceleration and quiet cabin. Narrator voiceover. The quiet, serene cabin allows you to enjoy every moment of the ride, and with intuitive tech that enhances your driving experience, this car isn't just an EV, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Scene ends with the Toyota Crown EV parked, the logo shining under the lights. Dash dash. Conclusion. Narrator voiceover. The Toyota Crown EV 2025 is here to lead the way in luxury electric vehicles. With its futuristic design, impressive performance, and a host of high-tech features, it's the car of tomorrow today. Scene fades to the Toyota logo and website link. Narrator voiceover. Are you ready to drive into the future? Visit your nearest Toyota dealership or check out the Toyota website to learn more about the Crown EV 2025. And with the tagline on screen, Toyota Crown EV 2025, power, luxury, sustainability. Fade out. Dash dash. This script provides a comprehensive yet approachable review of the Toyota Crown EV 2025, ensuring that both car enthusiasts and general viewers can connect with the car's features and capabilities.